Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to duplicate clip in CapCut, duplicating clips in CapCut Video Editor, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and open CapCut onto your device and open the project when you want to duplicate a clip. So I'm currently onto a project already in here, and as you can see, I have imported a media already that I want to duplicate. So if you haven't done so onto your end, just simply click onto import in here to browse onto your different files to add in the clip that you want to use. Right after, let's add this clip onto the timeline. So just simply hold this and drag and drop it here onto the timeline, just like this. Now, right after, if you want to go ahead and duplicate a clip, you'll just have to simply copy that one out. You could right click onto this and click on copy, or you could use the shortcut key, which is Control C. So just click onto that. Right after, you'll just have to paste it, right click onto this again, and then click on paste, or you could use the shortcut key, which is Control V. And we could do as many as we want. So as you can see, we have successfully duplicated the clips in here as many times as we like. So feel free to go ahead and do so. Control C and Control V, and you should be able to duplicate clip in CapCut the easy way. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.